Welcome to Yamu Kids TV. Kids, happy face, smiling, happy face. Kids, please subscribe my channel. Kids, please subscribe and share. Okay, kids, learn some colors. First, brown color. Which color? Brown color. Lavender color. Which color? Lavender. Sky blue color. Which color, kids? Sky blue. Yellow color. Which color? Yellow. Red color. Which color, kids? Red color. Orange color. Which color? Orange. Blue color. Which color? Blue color. Okay, kids, please subscribe my channel. Crown and princess coloring, super coloring, crown coloring. First, red color. Which color? Red color. Then yellow. Yellow color crown. Super. Then green color. Color. Green color. Super green. Again green. Super green color. Then sky blue. Sky blue coloring. Then orange. Orange coloring. Then red color. Color. Red color. Then blue color. Dots. Dots coloring. hair coloring, brown, color. Which color? Brown color. Hair coloring, color brown, color. Hair coloring, super coloring, brown color. Finish the hair coloring brown, super coloring, brown color, super coloring. Then again hair coloring, brown color, hair coloring, brown color, super coloring, hair coloring, brown color, super coloring, hair color, brown color, princess hair coloring, brown color. Finish the hair coloring brown. Okay, then green color leaves, designing leaves, green color, super coloring leaves, green color leaves, green color leaves, coloring.